Hey everyone, it's Donna. Here's my stitch fix, box 101, and I'm filming from my closet. So just a quick show you around what I'm doing. All right, let's get started. Hang on. Hey everyone, let's see what we've got in the box. Hang on. So, I think I'm gonna like, oh, you're not gonna believe what just happened. Everything kind of slipped out of the box. At least this did. Huh. And I'm not gonna slide it back in because this looks really cool. So what we're going to do is something different. We're going to take these things, set them right there to the side of me. You can see I haven't opened it. And let's tear this baby open so you can see that I'm doing it. And we're going to take a look and see what we've got. All right, let's start with the first thing. That's cute. Although, I have just bought something almost just like this recently. But let me show you the pattern and the color. That's cute. It's got two side zips. This thing is by Babu. Okay, let's take a look. See what we've got. And I'm doing this kind of quick because I'm busy. This is a zipper detailed crew neck sweater in black, $72. And it's cute. By Babu. Very soft, very not very thick at all. Just a crew neck. I kind of like turtlenecks. And by the way, I'm wearing a little scarf I got from Sundance today. I wanted to show that. I didn't show it in a video that I did previously, but I did want to show it to you today. So next we've got, let's take a look and see everything they sent me. And I asked for black. Another top by Babu. This is the asymmetrical hem knit top, $54 in a small. And it's got a, oh, this is different. It's got some lace at the bottom of it. And I don't think they've ever sent me anything like this before with the lace at the bottom. Now, I'm a little careful with stuff like this because if you get too much black lace, especially on an older woman, you start to look like Elvira. So you gotta be very careful with that. So, I'm not sure about this. I'll try it on later. But, and then they sent me, let's see, what else do we have? Is this jacket. And when I just pulled this out, I thought, that's kind of cool. It is by Steve Madden, and I like his stuff. It's BB Dakota and Steve Madden. It's the Going Places jacket, bomber jacket. It's $99. That's cute. And I have 2 or 3 little jackets, but not in this type of fabric. And this is a faux leather, I believe. I don't think it's not real. It has a snap close. And I may just take a minute and just pop a few of these things on. I'm not sure. I may, because I'm seeing some shoes down here, and I'm seeing another jacket. I may just do a quick change a roux on some of those so you can see them. If you're hunting for some outer garments, I'm not sure about the tops. The shoes that I got. These are by, I think these are Dolce. DV by Dolce Vita, the russet shearling lace-up boot. And these are $80, which isn't bad for a pair of little boots. There is no side zipper. They just are back. They are heavy, but they do have a lot of tread there. So there you go. And by the way, I'm not doing my nails anymore. I have been talking to some people, and health-wise, I think it's, you know, you've got to be careful. I have, I'm just wearing either just a clear polish anymore, or I'm just going natural. I just don't want to cause any problems later for myself. So anyway, but sometimes I still do it. So if you see them on my fingers, I haven't given it up. I'm just taking a break from it all. But these boots, I like the elevation to them. We'll see. I may slip those on so you can see them. Okay. And lastly, I have another packet here. So let's open this one. And I just bought a puffer jacket at Columbia from my last thing. Who's this by? This is a Sam Edelman jacket, and every time I get a jacket from them, I like it. This is the cinched waist puffer coat, $89.99, so about 90 bucks. Okay. And I think I will slip this on and let you guys see it. It's a thicker coat than the Columbia, but the Columbia has a reflective fabric in it. This one doesn't, I do not believe. So the Columbia one stays warm, and it snaps as it goes down. So I have to keep it snapping, snapping, and then snapping. All right. And it is just a basic nylon lining. What is this? Oh, it's the little tag. It shows. And it cinches at the waist. So and it's got some side pockets. It is cute. And it kind of looks like it's a bigger jacket, so you could put a sweater under it. I'm going to try it on. We'll see. Hang on, and let me slide a couple of these pieces on, and we'll be right back. Hang on a second. Oh, and while you're waiting, please subscribe. Snap, I'm back. Okay, here we go. The jacket. I like it. I like it because it has side pockets. I love that in a jacket. I've got to have this side pocket. And so that's cool. I cinched it a little bit so you can kind of see it if you want to get a coat like it. Very cute. I don't know, what do you think? It's got a hood, which is important. Let's see how that hood fits. So, whew, let's pull that baby up. And yes, it covers, if you are in a snowstorm, it covers you up. Okay, do I need it? I don't know. Do I like it? Yeah, you know how I am with that kind of stuff, so we'll have to see about this one. So hang on, we've got another. I'll be right back. Okay, don't laugh. I put them on with these pants, but you know, when we are in stores, we try things on with things that don't really match when we're wearing them down here. And I thought, I'm leaving my pants on because I'm leaving, and I don't want to have to change again. The jacket's okay. I'm not in love with it. I gotta be honest. The shirt is a big no. I'm not into the lace. It's just not me. I like things a little more refined as far as more of an edgy look is what I like. So anyway, hang on. We've got a sweater. I'm going to show you in the shoes. I'm going to show you those. Hang on a second. Okay, the sweater. It's okay. Do I love it? No. So it would be great with probably, I mean, it's got the little side zips if you wanted to zip it up, change it a little bit, you know. But for me, this is a no-go because it just feels like it just kind of is too baggy, too, just not what I'm hunting for. But it was fun trying it on. So let's try the shoes and then we'll be done. Hang on. Okay, filming from the closet can sometimes be a tough thing. So I'm just going to show you this way. Okay, there's one shoe and there's my Ugg that I'm wearing today. So I like it. It'd probably be cute with some black leggings. So this might be something I might consider keeping. Price is right. And you can see I'm just kind of grunging it today. So, okay, we're back. I just wanted to show you this shoe again. I like it. I may keep it. What do you guys think? I don't know. Might be cute with some black leggings. Give me some ideas what I could wear these boots with if you've got something like it. I'm just going to have to think about it. Anyway, you can see my other shoe here. I've got on my little grungy outfit today, and I've got my Uggs on. And I love these things because they have that shearling in them, and they're so warm. But anyway, back to these shoes. Tell me what you think about them. And I'll let you go for now, and please subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.